channel. For those who are new to my channel, I am simplikeii. So today I came to bring you guys a quick what's on my nail video and show y'all what I got on my nails. All right. So this time I had got some inspiration from Pinterest, and I'm gonna put the picture up here somewhere so y'all can see where I got my inspiration from. What is this behind me? I don't know, something I just did a review on. But I went on Pinterest. I got some inspiration from them. I thought this design was really cute. So I decided to have my nail tech do it. But unfortunately, my nail tech has been sick, so she wasn't able to do my nails. And I went with somebody new, not Lena, because y'all know Lena hooked my nails up last time. And that's who's going to be hooking my nails. Oh, this hair tangle. That's who's going to be hooking my nails up next time when Tiffany can't do my nails, because I'm finna show y'all why. So went and got my nails done Sunday. Thank God that they're open on Sundays, because your girl be busy and sometimes I just don't have time to go on no Saturday or through the week. So I went, showed her what I wanted. She did the nails cute, but my problem is I like a thick acrylic just because I'm rough. I'm like a tomboy, okay? So I need everything thick, and I feel like she did an awesome job with the shape, with hitting it on the nail with the colors I wanted. She did get a little help with the other design I'm gonna show you. But as far as the sculpting and the colors that I wanted, she hit it right on the nail. I kept it really simple this time, just because I felt like the shimmer that I put on my nails was enough for the nails. I didn't want to overdo it. But yeah, I'm finna show y'all, and I'm going to get it fixed actually tomorrow. But these are my nails. I'm gonna bring it in right there. Okay, so I did a shimmer, and then right here it's like it's supposed to be like foil. So we did like a foil type of thing right there. And I really liked it. I thought it was really cute. I love the shimmer. The shimmer is supposed to be like this off pinkish like color. I thought that was really pretty. But like I said, she made the acrylic too thin. Like, I don't even know if y'all can see that. That acrylic is too thin. I don't like thin acrylic. My acrylic on my nails have to be thick. And my cousin, because we got our nails done at the same place, and she was like, that lady can't do my nails no more. That acrylic was too thick. And you probably saying, well, Key, you should have told her you like your acrylic thick. I did. But, like, if you look at this, hold on. If you look at that, the tip look thick. But up in here is where she thinned it out at. Like, don't compromise on my nails. Make it thick the whole way through. Like, I literally bent down and grabbed some spray, and my nail broke. I paid $66 for these nails. These nails should not be breaking, honey. And I need you to get it there. And I feel like the way she kind of sculpted around my cuticle, I feel like I'm not going to be able to make it. Hold on. I'm not going to be able to make it a month like I normally would. I feel like I'm going to be back getting my nails done again in 2 more weeks. She don't do every 2 weeks. She do every 3 to 4 weeks. So that's a problem. So from now on, I said, although she did good with the head on, spot on with the color, spot on with my design that I wanted. Although they did good with that, I think from now on, if Miss Tiffany can't do my nails, Miss Lena gonna do my nails. Nobody else will touch my nails. Point blank and the period. But yeah, I mean, I'm when I go in there, Lena is gonna fix this nail. I'm not flicking y'all, I'm just showing y'all the nail. Lena is gonna fix this nail for me, so I'll be all right. I just know that even if I go back to them, I know next time to say, make that acrylic thick, thicken that acrylic up. We not, But yeah, I was 50-50 on my nails this time. So, all right, y'all, I'm finna get out of here. I just like, let me come and do this what's on my nails video, because if I don't, oh, why y'all blurry? If I don't, I will forget. And I do not want to forget. I'm trying to get better with my videos. I'm trying not to come on here with a bunny on my head unless I'm doing my family vlogs. And then y'all know we keep it real over here. But y'all don't want to see me in no bunny or no hat all the damn time. So I'm trying to at least throw on some hair when I come to when I come to you guys. When I'm doing like content vlogs. So yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. Definitely have some videos, some new improved videos coming to you guys. I got a lot of suggestions. I asked for you guys input, your guys thoughts, and you gave them to me. I wrote them down. Definitely have some videos coming to you guys. A lot of y'all, I did not know y'all wanted to see these type of videos on my channel because there's so many on YouTube. But now that I know that y'all want to see what Key feel and how Key think about certain things and products, I'm definitely going to be bringing you these type of videos. Oh, and my new bag job, honey. So y'all know I'm going to get ready to give y'all a little simple room tour. Y'all know me, I'm simple. It ain't all glam, but it's good for me. And I like it and I'm comfortable. So hopefully I can get ready to give y'all this room tour really soon. This is a real life room, and because I have a husband, I didn't do all that glitz and glam. I tried to keep it neutral, and I tried to keep it to where we both would like it. And yeah, I'm kind of happy with it because I still was able to do my girly things, hence the candles and the flowers, and he still got his manly things, hits the comforter and the curtains. Okay, I hate to compromise, y'all. All right, I'm finna get out of here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.